welcome you to my channel Practice to Perfect. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and also clicking the bell icon. Today's video is for the topic Rooms of the House. What is a home? It is a place where we live with our family. Today we will learn about the different rooms of a house. Not all houses are same. Some people live in an apartment and some live in a big house. But there are some common rooms in every house. So come, let us see each one of them one by one. Living room. This is the place where the whole family sits together to relax, spend time with each other and watch TV. Furnitures like sofa, table, photo frames and TV are found in this room. Dining room. This room is used for eating all meals. Usually, a dining table is found in this place. Bedroom. This is the place where people sleep and take rest. Some common items that you may find here are bed, cupboard, pillow and blanket. Sometimes in a kid's bedroom, you may also have a study table and a bookshelf. Kids also love to keep their toys in their room. Kitchen. This room is used for cooking and preparing food. In a kitchen, you will mostly find a gas stove, chimney, oven, fridge and all types of utensils. Bathroom. This room is also known as washroom, restroom or toilet. We use this room to use the toilet, brush our teeth and take bath. In the washroom, you will find the toilet, taps and shower, sometimes a wash basin and a bathtub. Balcony. Some houses have a balcony, which is a small sit-out area to relax and spend time with the family. So, all these rooms together make our sweet home. So kids, you all know that the place we live should always be clean. So do you think you can also help in keeping your home clean? Yes, you can. Come, let us see what little things you can do. You can keep all your belongings after you have used in the right place. You can keep your toys after you have finished playing in the toy box, your books after you have finished doing your homework or your regular studies back in the bookshelf. Next, you can clean your bed. When you wake up in the morning, you can keep all your blankets and other quills folded and put them back in the right place. You should always use a dustbin to throw away the waste. You can have a small dustbin in your room so that you can throw your things in it. Next, you can fold your clothes. After the clothes are washed and dried, you can fold your own clothes and put them back in the cupboard. Sometimes you can also help your parents in dusting. Like you can do that for your room. Maybe you can do the dusting of your bookshelf and the toy box. All these activities will make your home clean and a happy place to live. I hope you have followed all the rooms and the rules of keeping your house clean. Now we will look at some of the practice questions for this topic. Question 1. Here you have to read each sentence and there is an activity given. So you will read the activity and identify the room where this activity is being done. Question 2. There are a list of items given in the box and there are 5 columns given below. You have the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, dining room and washroom. So you have to pick each item and you have to find out where that item belongs to. That is, like if I pick up the first option, that is soap. Which room will you find the soap? So you have to put them under the correct column. Question number 3. Based on the words that you have learnt in this topic, you have to fill the blanks and complete the words. The answer sheet for all the questions are found here. I hope you found my video useful. Please share your views in the comment box and please come back and watch my further videos. Thank you.